You are welcome back. In this video, we will look at this question to demonstrate how you prepare the partnership account on dissolution. Okay, let's look at the question. On 31st December 2016, P, Q, and R decided to dissolve their partnership. They had always shared profits in the ratio of P3, Q2, R1. That's ratio 3:1 to PQR respectively. Their goodwill was sold for 30,000, the machinery for 24,000, and the inventory for 12,000. There were 3 cars, all taken over by the partners at agreed values. P taking one for 4,000, Q1 for 6,000, and R1 for 3,000. The premises were taken over by R at an agreed value of 162,000. The amounts collected from the trade receivables amounted to 7,400. The trade payables were discharged for 6,280, the difference being due to discount received. The cost of dissolution amounted to 700. The statement of financial position prior to dissolution is summarized as follows. So we have the statement of financial position of PQR. Now, the question says, required, prepare the realization account, prepare the capital account, and prepare the bank account. In the next video, we will look at the first requirement of this question, which is to prepare a realization account. So thank you very much. See you in the next video.